Hello, today I invite you to join me in making a quick plum cake. As always, I encourage you to subscribe, click the bell, and you'll stay up to date with my recipes. Here's a list of the ingredients you'll need. You can find the same list in the video description. There's also a link to my blog below the video where you'll find all my recipes. Crack 5 eggs into a bowl, add 3/4 cups of sugar and mix for a few minutes until the mixture becomes fluffy and light. Next, we add the sifted flour along with the baking soda. I have here 1½ cups of wheat flour, ½ cup of potato flour and a teaspoon of baking soda. I sifted everything before, and now I'm adding it to the whisked eggs. I'm using cups with a capacity of 250 milliliters and then pour ½ cup of oil and briefly mix just to combine the ingredients. I lined a baking tray of 25 by 35 centimeters with baking paper. Roughly half of the mass is poured onto the baking tray. To the other half, we add a spoonful of cocoa and a short mix again. Just to combine the ingredients, we lay the cocoa mass onto this light mass. I do not stir anything here with a spoon. Later during baking, it mixes on its own. Mix. Arrange the plums. Prepare about 400-500 g of plums, of course cut them into halves with the skin side down. Arrange on the dough, then put it in the preheated oven at a temperature of 180 degrees. Bake for about 40 minutes or to the so-called dry stick, ready to sprinkle with sugar powder, and it's done. As you can see, it's quick, simple to prepare. It always comes out well, so prepare it for sure. Greetings.